Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for detailed, no-nonsense product breakdowns. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is currently the best 1157 red brake bulb replacement you can buy. The ongfuwu 10 PCS car 1156 brake bulb in blue. Yes, you heard that right. It's the best 1157 red alternative, especially when you want that same quality and performance in a blue variant for specialized applications. Let's start with the design and functionality. These bulbs use the 1156 BA15S socket configuration, a single contact, single filament setup, making them ideal for single function uses like brake lights or turn signals. They're designed to deliver highly focused beam concentration, cutting through rain, fog, or nighttime driving conditions with clarity. If you're looking for a dual-function tail light that supports both brake and marker lights simultaneously, the brand does suggest opting for a 1157 model. But for focused applications, the 1156 is your go-to. One of the first things you'll notice when handling these bulbs is the build quality. The copper lamp head isn't just there for show. It's incredibly effective at both conducting electricity and dissipating heat. That's a combination you want in a bulb that'll see heavy use. The glass housing is heat-resistant and durable, making it less likely to crack or deform under intense conditions. Inside, the tungsten filament is engineered for efficiency. With a high melting point, it converts electrical energy into bright light while handling heat like a champ. Now, let's talk compatibility. When you buy this pack, you get 10 halogen bulbs, plenty for multiple vehicles or to keep as spares. These bulbs aren't just limited to one function. With a 12-volt operating voltage and 21-watt power rating, they're highly versatile. Whether you need a turn signal, brake light, parking light, or even a daytime running light, these bulbs have you covered. They're compatible with a wide range of fittings like P21W, 1141, and S25BA15S, making them a universal fit for most automotive lighting systems. Installation is as straightforward as it gets. Pop open the light cover, remove the old bulb. You might have to twist a bit if it's snug, and slide in the new 1156 halogen bulb. One key tip here, don't touch the glass housing directly with your fingers. Use a cloth or gloves to avoid leaving oil residue that can reduce the lifespan of the bulb. Once installed, snap the cover back in place and you're done. It's a 5-minute upgrade that could vastly improve your vehicle's lighting performance. Let's also highlight the color, blue. This isn't your standard OEM white or amber bulb. The blue hue gives your lights a custom look, especially for applications like trailer lights or auxiliary indicators where a touch of style matters just as much as functionality. It's a bold aesthetic choice for car enthusiasts who want to stand out while ensuring visibility. So to recap, the ongfuwu 10 PCS car 1156 brake bulb delivers in every department: build quality, illumination power, compatibility, and ease of installation. It's not only a reliable replacement for stock halogen bulbs, but also a step up in terms of style and performance. And while it's marketed as a 1156 model, it stands toe-to-toe with some of the best 1157 red bulb options out there in terms of quality and output. Just in a blue variant. Whether you're doing routine maintenance or customizing your ride, this is a lighting upgrade worth making. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews. Drop your questions or experiences with this bulb in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.